This model is very similar to the AL-30-131, PM506D on the chassis of the ZIL 131 car and refers to special fire trucks. The automobile ladder is a fire truck with a stationary mechanized retractable and rotary ladder. The PM506 model ladder was developed at the Torzok plant of firefighting equipment to replace the L21 model ladder. Serial production was organized in 1984. Appointment. Delivery to the place of rescue, firefighting combat crews, the necessary fire technical weapons and equipment. The rise of combat crew, fire technical weapons and equipment to a height of 30 meters. Evacuation of people from high-rise buildings. Providing the ability to effectively conduct rescue operations and extinguish fires at altitude. The supply of extinguishing agents from the top of the staircase to the fire. Firefighters say, "The flame is good and life, if you do not forget to put out it in time. Take care of yourself and do not play with fire."